Hi everyone and welcome back. Today's video will be a short review of a multi-surface and glass cleaner made by XPS Care. Like always, I only review products that I actually use and like. This is a waterless polymer-based product that can be used on plastic and painted surfaces and glass. It leaves behind a protective layer that helps repel dirt and makes them easier to clean again later. I use it on my side-by-side frequently for quick cleanups. I use it on just about everything, including the interior panels and the exterior panels, including the fenders. I especially like using it on the electronic gauges. It helps keep them clean and it works very gently. It won't scratch it even if you've got a fair amount of dirt on there. Just spray it on and wipe it off with a microfiber towel and buff it to a shine. And in addition to using it on my ATV, I use it on my truck to clean the door jambs after washing it. Sometimes I use it on the plastic door paneling as well. Keep in mind it's a cleaner, not a shiner. It won't bring your black plastics back to life, but XPS has a black plastic restorer that will do that. I haven't tried that product myself, but I plan to do it soon and I'll let you know what I think of it when I do.